Hello everyone, it's Shushi again, and in this video we're going to learn to ask and answer a very important question, which is where are you from or where you are coming from. Actually, the question is in Armenian is fairly simple. It is basically vorterits es or du vorterits es for informal, where are you from, and vorterits ek or duk vorterits ek for formal. Let's understand what this question actually means. Vorter means which place. So in Armenian you are asking which place are you from. It's at the end of vorter stands for from. So vorterits es means where are you from? From where are you? Du vorterits es, again the same question but now with you. Du vorterits es and duk vorterits ek, the same question but again formal. Now let's answer the question. Yes, Hayastanits em. I am from Armenia. Again, I'm adding it's, this from thing, to the country. Yes, Hayastanits em, and I'm actually putting the country between the pronoun and the auxiliary verb. Yes, Hayastanits em. Let's say yes, Rusastanits em. I am from Russia. Yes, Fransiaits em. I am from France. So I guess you understand the form. Now let's learn some country names. I hope you will find your country in the list and then you will form a sentence for you and you will write it down in the comments because I really want to know where my audience is coming from. Okay, let's get started. Let's learn the country names. Chinastan is China. Hindkastan is India. Let's go to the north. For Russia we have Rusastan. Let's move to west. For Iran we have Iran, but Armenians wouldn't really say Iran, they would just say Parskastan, which is Persia, and these are two completely different concepts, but Armenians still say Parskastan. Then we have Turkey, Turkey. Hunastan is Greece. Let's move to a little north. We have Lehastan for Poland. I know that I have some students coming from Poland. Italy is Italia. Then we have Francia for France, Germania for Germany, Metz Britannia for Great Britain. For England we have Anglia. And let's move to America. America is America. And let's move to the southern Latin American countries. We have Brasilia for Brazil, Argentina for Argentina. Alright, I know that I haven't mentioned most of the countries, but I will attach a list of countries so you can find your country name in the list. And don't forget to comment because I really want to see where you are coming from. So thank you very much for watching the video. If you are looking for a teacher, you can book a lesson with me through my website and we will meet soon, hopefully. Hաջողություն.